Okay, this is a makeshift spare tire removal tool since my truck didn't have one. It's a 1997 Ford F-150. He's looking at a electric fence post, 3/8. You want these little ribs on the side. Now I'll pull it out here, show you where I flattened it out just a little bit with a hammer, and it, once you feel it go in, I mean, it's a perfect fit. Watch it. Gonna lower the tire down. It is so easy. It just drops right down, and there's no effort at all. So back up the same way, and there's a makeshift tire removal tool. Fits in a 1997 through 2003 F-150, and I think some other Fords. Once again, here's the end of it. Just flattened it a little bit with a hammer. In fact, it was working just by catching on those little ribs before I even flattened it out. So, redneck tire removal.